Yo, first day of school. Where you going? What school you going to? Dude, what school you going to? You know? Huh? First one? What is it? Bus one? What's that?
Bus.
That's not a school. That's a bus.
Black and yellow, black and yellow.
What school you going to? Hey. Hey. The news. Oh, okay.
Or PSA.
Prairie Academy? Yeah.
640.
I know. Because it's your first day of school, right?
What's up?
Yeah.
Are you 14? What's up?
Hold on.
I'm 14 years old. What's up? Are you 14 years old? Nah. I'm only 14. Shut up. Hoyas, shut up. 14.
Huh?
14.
What's that?
14.
14?
Yeah. 14 means 40. Like fight.
Okay.